everyone. So, in this class, we will value of a polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is any real number, then the value obtained by putting x equal to k in p of x is called the value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to k. Now, what is this? A polynomial, we have p of x is a polynomial and x equal to k polynomial value is so, we will do this polynomial x in the position like k and substitute here. In the value the value of the polynomial at x equal to k. Now, we will example. Okay. P of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 is a polynomial. Okay. We will do x equal to 4 x equal to 4 this polynomial value is so, we will do x in 4 replace. So, p of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 plus 5. So, that is equal to 16 minus 16 plus 5. Right? So, 16 minus 16 we cancel. So, the answer is 5. Right? So, p of 4 is 5. Clear? So, the value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to 4 is 5. That is p of 4 equal to 5. Clear? So, this is clear. We will base this question. Okay. This is our question. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. Okay. Now, we have the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now, at x equal to 0, this is the value. Right? So, p of 0 is p of 0 is so, p of 0 is x in 0 which replace. So, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3, right? So, that is equal to 0 plus 3, that is 3 ആണ് നമുക്ക് answer വരിക അല്ലേ? So, p of 0 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3 ആണ്. ഇനി next നമുക്ക് p of minus 1 ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. At x equal to minus 1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ p of minus 1. So, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ polynomial x നെ replace ചെയ്തിട്ട് minus 1 എന്ന് എഴുതണം. That is 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So, that is equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 6. So, p of minus 1 equals minus 6. Now, at x equal to 2, this polynomial value is so, that is p of 2. P of 2 equals 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Right? So, 5 into 2 is 10 minus 2 square 4 so 4 into 4 16. So, minus 16 plus 3. Right? So, that is equal to minus 3. So, p of 2 is minus 3. Clear? So, this portion is clear right now. Till then, bye.